Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And this is Pavitra Shetty.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
What have you ordered, Pavi? What is that?
It's a strawberry mojito. Wanna taste?
Virgin. You're talking about the,
Hey, guys.
You're talking about the drink.
This is not how we start a podcast,
I'm
okay?
talking about the mojito, of course.
Oh, okay.
But we are doing a very special thing. You are the first person to experience this great idea. Which is at some point
So
during
this idea is also virgin.
Yes.
Ooh,
Wow.
let's go.
This is what we need. This is the good stuff. Basically, at some point during this podcast, you can choose when. You have to sneeze, but in a very over-the-top way.
Okay.
And we will give you a score on that. But you've got to sneak it in somewhere during the conversation. And we plan to do this for many episodes.
Yeah.
And then we will rank everyone, okay? So keep it at the back of your mind. Don't do it early.
The sneeze will be rated on timing,
Yes.
Okay.
overboardness,
Yes.
and what else can we do?
Sneeziness.
And commitment, yes. Yeah, act out.
And if there's like phlegm and all, do I get more points?
You get negative points. Negative points for phlegm.
It's not like I can't have a crush on gay people because currently that's my thing. But at that, no, I genuinely,
You have a crush on gay people.
I will talk about that topic in detail.
You want what you can't have, basically.
Yeah.
That is my.
Forbidden fruit.
Yeah.
It's not even that. It's just very recently I saw this show. I don't know have you all seen it or heard of it called Heated Rivalry.
I know about it. Yeah, of course, all the women are crazy about
It
it.
is.
The
Everyone.
straightest two gay guys are making out. That's what women love.
No,
Two straight
one
gay guys
second.
making out.
They haven't the two actors have not revealed their sexuality.
I know.
So
But they look, I'm saying they have the look of a very...
Ice hockey or something?
Yeah, ice hockey.
they're playing ice hockey, two rival
It's like One
teams.
Tree Hill but gay.
No, it's not. You've not even watched it. I've seen 6 hours of this kind of
But
soft
I can
porn,
feel it.
but it's amazing.
I can
no,
feel the
you
vibe.
can't feel things you
How much
haven't
make out
watched.
per episode is there?
Make out out of 1 hour. It's difficult because I kind of lost track of time while
okay.
watching.
So it's not
The
a little.
thing is, it's very tastefully done. So basically, I'll tell you all in short what happens. It's a show based off a book by Rachel Reed, and there are two rival national level ice hockey teams, and their captains fall in love with each other. It starts off as a situationship, and then becomes much more. And along with that, there's a lot of footage of their sexy butts. And the thing is, I never thought like a man on man would do anything for me, but
You were wrong.
I was wrong, and so are many women worldwide being proved continuously wrong.
But-
and even men, straight men are watching it and loving it.
No.
No, maybe, I mean, I'm not...
I dare
yeah.
you. I
Is there a
dare you all.
version without the makeout?
No, but
Just
that's
with the
very
plot?
nice.
It's
very
nice?
tastefully done, and it's like there's a lot of
Yeah,
foreplay
I
which
guess I'm
women
a-
love, and y'all just don't. There's the hard stuff also which y'all will love.
No.
Penetration.
Yeah, like,
Penetration?
but like they won't show
Okay,
it,
just
but
like
they're
movement.
doing it. Yeah, the movement is
But,
there, and there's a lot of conversation, very butterfly, like giving conversations and.
Butterflies.
Yes.
So how many seasons? One season?
One season is out.
And does it end at a cliffhanger?
It's not a cliffhanger. It's a nice ending, but there is more. There's a season 2 coming, and fans are like, we want more before
More
that.
men to come in?
Yeah, and it's very nicely done. Promise.
3 men. Next season, 3 men.
Yeah.
Tres leches. 3 leches.
But the problem is that, all these butts and all they're showing, it's all like inorganic. It's like
What
they
do you
do all
mean?
that bum
No.
whitening thing and all.
No.
Show
so
me-
this
yeah,
is
show
very
me some
natural.
real
They are
stretch
too-
marks and all. Yeah, stretch
Kendrick,
marks.
show me
The
something real
lighting
like...
is dim, so we can't see those imperfections that well. But they are perfectly imperfect.
Oh,
like they're
God.
very new. And
New
they've-
bums?
Yeah, they're new bums. They've
What is
not
this, a
seen
Huggies
these
ad?
bums before.
Huggies ad, new bums.
They are actually very huggyable. Like it's that.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not ready for... I don't know. Okay.
You have to.
You
You
wanna
have to
say
give it a
something now?
shot. You
I
have to
got
give
nothing
it a
to
shot.
say. I'll try.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
So there was a audience member who was like very well dressed, this man, and then I was like, wow, like it's so nice to see a man put in an effort
Yeah.
in how they dress. And then he's like, yeah, I've spent a lot of time in the closet what a cool way to come
Oh,
out.
that's cool.
And I was like, ooh. And then I was like, oh, and then obviously I had to ask him, have you watched Heated Rivalry? And he's like, no. And I'm like, girl, what are you even doing?
Oh, straight to the
And
girl.
I do girl, I do it to
Yeah,
straight men
yeah,
as
that
well.
is true.
Girl, you know that. And then
I
he,
mean, yes. Yeah.
but yeah, basically he said he wanted to watch it with his partner. And I was
Nice.
like, if you watch it with your partner, you won't be watching, you'll be doing things.
Did you say, I want to watch you guys watch it?
No, but I did
And-
tell him that I am attracted to gay men now. And then I'm like, is there any
Interesting.
like space for me on your spectrum? And then he said, I'm what they call a hag.
Oh, what?
Hag.
H-A-G.
Yes.
Which is?
Like a hag, a woman, like a...
Oh, he's the
Oh,
woman.
you're a
I'm a
woman who's interested in
who's
gay
in-
people.
I'm a hag who's interested in...
Oh,
and-
you are.
Yeah,
Okay.
and if
I didn't hear it right.
and if you straight boys,
Yes.
both are straight now, are interested... I don't know, man.
What, today?
Like,
Thursday, correct. We're straight today.
both of y'all are into gay men, then
Yes.
y'all are stags. I'm saying that this was a term given to me by another queer person. So it's
Okay.
it's
Okay.
just knowledge at this point. I'm
Yeah.
not like
This is great. Because
labeling
you know what?
other people.
This black man gave me a term which he said I can
No.
use because he gave it to me. What?
No.
I've been bestowed
No,
with
he
this
said,
term.
get out of my
what did
way.
he call you? Tell me.
He called me. Hey! That was
Yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Good execution.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh my God, we cut that one.
Please, I think that was
We'll have to
more
bleep that.
funny.
That was a great sneeze. I think for timing you get 10.
Yeah,
Thank
timing
you.
10.
10 on 10. And
Hey, we
for
can't give 10 for the first one.
No,
Then there's
nine,
no one
nine,
after.
nine.
I should be. This happened to me in Comic Star also. Please don't do this. I have a lot
First
of
person's
PTSD.
bias.
Yeah.
Okay,
Don't
you
do
take
this.
10.
Give it to
Yeah,
me.
She doesn't know it's a scale of 100.
Yeah.
No, okay. You take a 10. You
10,
take a
10
10.
on timing,
10 on
but your
10.
overboardness was like...
We'll give you a 6
No,
is
little.
harsh. 7.
Yeah.
We'll give you a 7.
7.
7 is nice.
And is there another category?
What else?
Three
Categories? Yeah,
categories.
3 categories we need.
Volume?
Volume. Where's overboardness? It comes in that.
Ah.
only.
Overboardness. We are making this game up as
Yeah.
we go. So
What is another metric we should have?
timing, overboardness, and
No, the comment section. Tell the next metric to put.
yeah, for the next one, and we will,
We'll update the list.
retroactively
Yeah.
give her points for that. All
Yeah.
right? Thank you so much. What's that? Realism.
Realism.
But then that's
Oh.
going against the overboardness. So we can't score on two opposite
Yeah.
things. So you
Yeah.
score low and one always.
Yeah.
And the high and the other.
Yeah, keep
It's a zero-sum
The
game.
average is always horrible.
But that was great. Well executed.
Thank
You're
you
the
very
first
much.
one to do
Thank
this.
you.
Nice, yeah.
And
I
first
feel-
of thousands.
I feel good about it.
We're gonna 1,000
I feel-
episodes of this.
But Pavi, you said you had OCD. Are you like clinically?
I have, yes. Clinically diagnosed level 3. Severe.
Level
Most
3?
severe.
What are the levels?
Yeah.
There are 3 levels,
Oh, you're
basically.
the top one.
I'm the top,
So
always,
my Indigo
in
Blue Chip,
everything.
like my
Indigo
Indigo
Blue
Blue
Chip.
Chip tier 1 and your OCD tier 3.
OCD
Yes,
tier 3. Why
tier
is tier
3.
3 the top and not tier 1? Why can't you count down to the
Yeah.
top?
Oh, because I think when it comes to severity, they always go
That
1,
is true.
2, 3.
What is it's like a Richter scale types?
Yeah,
Like an
or,
earthquake
or
measure.
stage
When
3.
when I get a panic attack, it feels like a Richter scale 10. I guess.
Okay.
That's a lot
So,
of shaking.
what are like I know one thing in your OCD has been Comicstan. I saw this, which is amazing. I mean, my parents would love if I had this problem. Every day she'll pack her suitcase and keep everything back like in the beginning, like when she moved into the
Oh,
hotel,
yeah.
right? So like it's like she just arrived to the hotel.
Oh.
Everything is clean.
You do housekeeping.
Yeah.
Even in my house, the help is not supposed to
Enter your room.
enter my room. I do my cleaning.
You
So
pay
for
her
me-
extra to not do your
Yeah.
room. You're like, don't touch this room.
Yeah, in fact, this morning itself, because after, like, my room is getting made, so
Yeah.
I'm staying in the hall now.
Yeah.
And I keep my chappals at a V, okay? I don't like the chappals touching each other except at the
Oh.
top end or the bottom end, so it's that way. And then she's doing jhadu there. Now, the hall I can't control, and it's also dusty,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
because
yeah.
there's work happening. So she was like, दीदी आप ये हमेशा ऐसे क्यों रखते हो? और मैं सीधा कर देती हूँ. Then I had to explain to her कि वो मैं थोड़ा पागल हूँ. And she's like, मुझे हमेशा से पता था. And I'm like, आपको पता है मेरी मम्मी भी थोड़ी पागल है, पर उनको पता नहीं है, उनका डायग्नोस नहीं हुआ है.
She also has OCD.
So I feel like my dad, my mom, my grandparents all have had degrees of OCD, and then everything came into me. Like my brother got nothing. He just got the height. He's almost 6. I think he is 6. He's 6, no? You've seen my brother.
He looks tall, yeah.
Yeah, and he got like the intelligence also, like without trying wala intelligence. Like I have to work hard to be intelligent.
What do you mean?
Like I have to really, like even for studies and all, like he would read it once and he would know it all. I would study. And in fact, 7th, 8th standard, I would by heart everything, even with punctuations. Like I would...
You would say full stop.
I would say, no, like for that
like a
is, I would
telegram.
say I dot, E dot, comma. And I would take, till 7th standard, I would make my mom even take my stuff up. And if she wouldn't correct me, I would test her if she's testing me correctly. And I'm like,
What a
you didn't
toxic
stop me.
house.
This is a difficult...
Yeah, but that's how OCD is.
So,
Like, we didn't know it was OCD back then, so she just thought I'm like
Yeah.
really crazy. But then she
True.
was like, the marks and all are there, the genius streak is there, like in the
Oh.
marks, in the
Okay.
marks.
Is
I
that
mentioned.
is one of the symptoms of OCD insane
Narcissism.
arrogance?
No,
I mean, the
said in
genius trick
marks.
is there.
I mean, they could all see.
The
3
genius
minutes
is-
ago, I said I'm not intelligent. I have
It's
to
like,
put in effort.
you know, like Michelangelo saw David in the stone before.
Yeah, before.
She's like, the genius is there.
There,
I just have to chisel away to get the genius to the surface.
Yeah,
But
no.
okay, so if your chappals are like this, and let's
Like
say
this, right?
Either like this or like this.
Okay,
like
it has
the
to
V
be.
ends
from some
have
side
to-
it's V.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like it's how you look at it, right?
Yes, yes.
So if someone, like let's say the maid by mistake touches one chappal and it moves, and you're in another, you're not even at home. Do you sense it?
Yeah, do you
Inside
feel it like a
somewhere?
spidey
I
sense?
won't
A sense in the
sense it, but when
force?
I come back, I can tell something has moved even by
I
a
mean,
centimeter or a
visually, right?
millimeter.
Okay, like that.
Visually.
Really?
I caught, when I was staying in Chennai in my PG, I figured that the maid was trying to cheat there. Steal there. Because I... she must be a
Because there was a naked man on my bed. She was not his husband. And it was written not husband. She's cheating.
The genius. The genius is thinking.
So I knew that she was stealing because I noticed like things in my cupboard had been moved. So I was like, she's definitely
Man, you're
stealing.
like a CIA agent and
You
all,
could
right?
work for the investigation,
Service, yeah.
secret
Which is
service.
why I love the show Monk. Like in that, he
Oh, yeah,
has
he has
OCD,
OCD, that's
and he can
true.
also tell. And I was like, yeah, this is very relatable. And I told my like flatmates and roommate, and they were like, nahi, and all. And then I was like, no, you trust me.
And
And,
you
then
you
my
caught him.
flatmate, she pretended to sleep when this one was coming and cleaning, and then we caught her in the act and all. So
And then?
Cheating. Oh, sorry. Stealing.
yeah, she was my flatmate. And her husband
She was
walked
stealing
into
Our
the room.
flatmates.
Heart.
It's a,
And,
okay.
No, but
bodily
so
fluids.
all
Thank you.
these
Thank you
mental...
for saying heart. You really
Yeah.
saved that.
Yeah. All these mental conditions, right?
Yeah.
They have like there's like one superpower angle to it.
Yes, which is why I didn't
What
want
is
to
that
get rid
for
of
OCD?
my
Yeah.
for me in the start when my parents and all were like, go for therapy and you have to fix this in you. And the thing is for me, I was just like, see, I know my triggers very well. I know how to avoid it. But they would want to be like, oh, why is your room in this way? Why is this on the floor? Or why is this at this angle? And I'm like, y'all can't do that now. So they would be like, no, you have to fix yourself. And I'm like, well, what about y'all fixing yourselves? And then I get fixed
Yes.
automatically. And I didn't want to go because I was like, this is my superpower. It keeps me organized. It keeps me productive and everything. But then when I did therapy and now I take medication, oh man,
It's the best.
Like I still have it, obviously, but it's like, because for OCD you have to do therapy, medication, cognitive behavioral therapy, and you need support of friends and family. If these 4 things don't come together, you're kind of
What is the
fucked.
difference between therapy and cognitive behavior therapy?
So in cognitive behavioral therapy, I'll give an example. Like for me, wearing socks used to take over 5 minutes because of how much I would adjust it. So I have to wear the sock and then I have to just sit with the feeling of
Get
the
it out.
discomfort.
Ah,
So then the thing is, my
like
brain
exposure therapy almost.
exposure therapy. So to just be like annoyed, but it has to hit a max level of annoyance and has to drop. So I have to sit with it till it goes there. Then the second time I wear, that peak point will be a little lesser, then lesser, then lesser, and now I can do it
So
in
you're
like
saying
a minute.
a cognitive
less than a minute.
behavioral therapist specializes in socks? Like this is
One
what they
of
study.
the things.
This is what they study. This is a 4-year degree.
This
And they're
is-
like, you sit with your
Yeah,
socks.
remove your shoes.
That'll be 10 lakh
Remove
rupees.
your clothes. I mean, with everything. Like
Sit
you-
with the discomfort of this this amount that you have to pay me for this. All right.
Oh, that is
Look at
a
this
lot of
invoice.
Yeah.
discomfort.
If
For
just
sure.
look at this number will make you so uncomfortable. You'll forget what your socks are doing. All right.
No, that is true. But it can happen with my bra also. I have to adjust my bra strap also in a certain way.
Listen,
so.
this is a family podcast.
Yeah.
So
all right?
I went
So,
for the sock
I'm-
example.
Unfortunately,
You wanted
India is a
more.
regressive.
We don't talk about bras
Like
here.
we are regressive about these
Y'all
things.
have never worn a bra?
I mean,
I mean, there were
Why?
some dark days.
Nice.
Have I worn a bra?
Have you? Okay, no. You want to say it?
It
I've
was
not worn a
a
bra. I've not worn a
Yeah,
bra.
it was
mutual
heated rivalry.
experience. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, obviously at home when I'm alone, I'm
Yeah.
always in my bra. But that's
Yeah.
See, a true bra wearer would never say that. If you're at home and you're alone, you're never wearing
No,
a
at
bra.
home I wear the lacy stuff.
yeah.
Oh.
I use a bra when in the.
My brain is exploding right now.
I wore a bra once on the plane to cover my eyes to sleep because there was a lot of light. So they didn't have. the-
I was
this
like trying
thing.
to be Venom one day, Spider-Man Venom. So I wore.
I cut 2 holes in the bra and they were not useful anymore. It was like a free the nipple bra. Only the nipple is visible. Everything else is covered.
Ripples escaping. Escape the
Hey,
nipple.
isn't that like there should be a bra where you can't see anything except the nipple?
I think there is.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, there will be one.
Yeah, I
mean,
think there is. All the, what do you say, it's not the regular everyday bra.
Obviously.
It is more the,
Sunday bra.
it's your birthday bra.
It's your birthday.
And it's also
Hey,
like
shorty.
translucent
Translucent.
because the thing is not directly showing, then it's not that fun. It
No,
has to
what
be-
I'm
I
saying.
need arrow also. I have one. Just like,
I think you need a biology class.
if you
you
put-
don't need an arrow
I think
for this.
you would need a circle and an
Yeah.
arrow which says nipple, and then it's not. Then you can free the nipple. No one is gonna be like, "Oh my god."
I'm so
It's
worried. Gotham doesn't know where his nipples are.
Dude, this guy.
He's just.
he has now on his forehead because of chicken pox.
Yeah.
right here I have
Oh
one.
yeah, now there are a few marks.
Yeah.
But wait, what were we? Please
OCD.
see if you bring up.
OCD.
No, but what is the superpower? Like, what is the thing which you're like, I'm
Are your
happy I have
parents
this.
sitting in a V when you enter the house? Are they like?
But I have
listen,
actually done this. So in Mangalore, I used to go for like my summer vacation, and in the afternoon, everyone would sleep. So I would try and I would sit and clean up the house at that time because no one would interfere. And there would be those velvet covers on the sofa, like like if you move your
Yeah, one
hand
direction
on
it
So I
goes
would
away.
ensure like the pattern is unidirectional.
This even I have done.
Yeah, and then I would go to the room, and my mom was sleeping teda, so I made her parallel to the bedside, and she got really pissed.
What I would do with the velvet thing is, as a kid, rub my knuckles on it and it would burn, and I'd
Yeah.
be like, "Can I not scream?"
Yeah.
What condition is that? Let me know in the comments.
Oh, this is something similar. Is like I would do that with like a bucket of water, like put my head in.
Head in
and
it?
See till for how long I can do this.
That's like
You're holding your breath underwater.
Yeah, but
Why
it's
not
like
go to the
almost-
pool
Yeah, why not
or?
go to
But that access is not there. No, as a child, this is so
Mangalore,
much easier.
it's
It's very
sea is
hard.
right there.
Yeah, the sea. Also, it's very hard to convince your
Death.
parents. Very hard to convince your parents that, oh no, I was just seeing how long I can hold my breath when they see you with your head
I'm
in the
just saying
bucket.
how long I can hold this gun over
Yeah. How long can the gun not shoot at my head?
That is actually not that scary.
How long
right?
can you hold your breath? Do you remember?
Like 3, 4.
Wow,
5
minutes?
Seconds.
Dude, that's like, I can
After training, you moved up to 3 to 4
1
seconds.
That's not training. I have just in my own bathroom. I'm just dunking
Let's do
my
it now.
head.
Let's hold our breath. Wait.
45 or 55, one of the. Oh, y'all still have to count for y'all. No, he let go. He let go. One, I think. Are you still not breathing? No, he has let out breaths from his mouth. Shut up. What are you doing? I think he's passed. I'm so sad.
My body was shutting down.
I was like, am I turning blue? Can they see? Can they see? Am I blue right now? But,
But this is also like the first step of erotic asphyxiation.
auto.
Autoerotic.
Yeah.
I mean, depends on which vehicle you're in when you're doing it.
So you're already good at that.
Uber
I
erotic.
prefer
Uber erotic.
tempo erotic.
Swift desire erotic.
Why are you roaming around in tempos?
I want to do it with my bros. I want to asphyxiate with all my bros around me. We are choking each other actually.
Oh,
And nobody's
that is-
driving.
A video of that would do well. Heated rivalry part 2.
But yeah, I think I was like, I was going to lose the game. And then I was like, wait a minute. I can't lose to a guy who used to be a smoker. I got to
What?
beat the smoker.
I still had. It did like someone.
I also had.
Yeah, I had enough.
I
could have
think I
gone for.
could have done 10 more
You couldn't have
seconds.
done anything. You were. I
But
saw
the
your.
thing was, I was like also counting, so it was very distracting. And I was like, am I on 35 or 45?
Yeah.
Because I lost
Well,
count.
we could, we can count because we have it on footage. Like, we can literally count to the millisecond
But
now.
live, right? Like
We're
Yeah.
going to put this out as a reel. No one has done it before. Pure dead air. That is the reel. That's silence. All right?
Imagine if that's the most viral reel from Broke Studio.
I mean, it could happen. Because when when you aim low, you can, even your peaks are like not that high. It's
That
like
is true.
Aravalis. It's not a mountain anymore,
Yo,
apparently.
topical.
Not yet. I
Not
mean,
yet.
they've not yet.
I don't know.
We're still
They
fighting
have
for
said that.
it.
Listen, we'll do it illegally. We'll mine illegally, guys. Okay, you know what?
In
Fine.
India, you can celebrate when the politicians say, no, we'll do it illegally. Don't worry. Legally, we are not doing
Okay,
it.
sorry for bringing it to the court.
We won. We won. Petition successful.
Change.org.
Yeah.
Yet again.
Changed.org.
Changed. They'll add a D. Like changed.
Yeah, changed.
When it's successful, you go to change.org.
There should be a change.org where all the change.org petitions which we thought we won, which is the current status of that.
Oh,
It'll be
yes.
actually hilarious.
People or animals? What do you prefer, Pavitra? Obviously, you prefer. Oh no, actually, this is a great question
It's
for
very
Pavitra.
tough.
Because she is obsessed with both things.
Which animal among the animals?
Dogs and cats, mainly.
both?
But currently, I think cats more.
Cats more.
Because they're tiny, it's easy to hold them and cuddle them.
You're a dog guy, right?
And also they, like I love dogs obviously, but they also get like a lot of saliva on you.
That's true.
Which sometimes my
And
OCD
that's-
kicks in.
When are the problems starting?
Oh God! This is the problem with dog lovers. They're all perverts. They're a bunch of perverts.
I have no idea what that does to me.
But
I
cats
like when
will
you
keep
dribble
you
on
clean.
me.
Yeah, cats will keep you clean. In fact, like they'll try to, if they're trying to groom you and they
Cats,
like you,
the
they'll
OCD,
clean you.
it helps the OCD.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's true.
So like even like because if a dog is in my space, I know
Yeah.
he'll drop everything around and then I'll have to fix things. But
Yeah.
a cat is very like stealthy with its move and very
Interesting.
light.
Yeah, for OCD, I think cat is better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is.
yeah.
I'm in fact just reading a book called
Cats.
Prescribe.
Oh.
I'll prescribe you a cat. That's
Nice.
something which is like it's actually great for mental health. So,
Okay.
But the thing is, my mom makes chocolates for a business, so she's like, we can't have an animal in the household.
Why it's poisonous?
For
to
cats
them.
it's
Because the
poisonous?
hair will go
Go in the
into
chocolate.
the
Like that.
chocolate and then she has
for
to
men,
sell.
it is for humans, it is bad. We were thinking of the
Yeah,
pet.
we are thinking about the pet.
Oh yeah, that is so sweet.
Yeah,
but
there's
yeah.
a study. It's not a study. It's an Instagram reel, which says, which in this day
This
and
is what
age
we were
is a
talking
study,
about. This Instagram philosophy that is getting popular these
which
days. Huh?
says that dog lovers tend to be more right wing and cat lovers tend to be left wing, which is an interesting take on things. Not, of course, there are left wing dog lovers, but Okay, it's like this. The right-wing people tend to be dog lovers. Let's put it that way.
Bro, right wing is what brought a dog ban in Delhi. It's the exact opposite.
That is true. But the thing is also, I can understand why right wingers like dogs, because dogs are easy to, like, they're very malleable as
Malleable?
like personalities, like
Wow.
not their
Wow.
bodies.
Say no to animal cruelty.
Yeah.
All right.
The
Like
same
you
conversation
can-
in China.
their
I had.
Never
consent
hammer
doesn't
a dog
matter.
into a sheet, all right? Never do that. They are not malleable. They are
Malleable
not
onto
ductile.
a plate, is it?
Personalities.
They're not ductile also. Don't make wires out of them.
There will be
Dogs
some-
and copper are not the same thing. All right? Yeah, continue.
But thank you for that permission. But cats and all, like, you need their consent. You really have to work your way.
What?
Not to do things, yeah, like to even
fuck?
touch them, to pet them.
Man.
You have to become friends. It takes effort. A dog will come and lick you in the
So
first
how is
second
that
itself.
left wing, right? Left wing.
So left wingers, you know, that you have to like put their point across,
Right-wingers
convince
lick you in the
There's
first.
more, there's
meeting
more
they lick you.
logical conversation, and the right wingers are perverts. So,
And have you noticed right wingers, when they meet you first time, they sniff your butt. They're like, hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
okay.
Oh, nice.
Rajesh. They can tell your name by sniffing your butt.
I really think y'all will enjoy Heated Rivalry. Just basis this banter.
Why can't they do just a female version of it?
Yeah.
A reboot. This is the reboot I want, not Oceans.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want this
I want
heated,
Heated
rivalry,
Rivalry.
for equality for women.
Sheeted.
Sheeted rivalry. Sheeted rivalry. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it.
I'll watch that
Who?
also.
Okay, if let's.
Yeah, who would you cast
Who would you cast?
from the comics?
No,
No, what the hell, dude? No chance.
Hell
Okay,
no.
like not Indian comics.
Time out.
Comics
Yo.
abroad.
No, no, not our colleagues. Our colleagues.
The
Okay.
actors. We can talk about
Actors.
actors.
Okay.
What, are we doing Hollywood, Bollywood?
Anything.
There is no way this conversation is going to be not cut.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because we
Why?
are now.
We are
because
just-
the reason why we're casting them is so that we see them make out with each other, right?
It's fine. For actors,
we
you can
can-
say that.
Okay, cool.
Okay, we'll do Hollywood. It makes
Then
it easier.
Jaya Bachchan, Karan Day.
I think
And
someone-
Rekha.
Jaya Bachchan and
It's a
Rekha.
genuine heated rivalry.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
what is better than
Jaya
that?
Bachchan and Rekha, I'll be hot.
Nice.
As in terms of the heat of the
Yes.
heat.
Yeah, and Jaya Bachchan likes to get into arguments,
Yeah.
into heated
Yes.
rivalries, so it's
I
perfect.
can see this
By the
happen.
way, they're not making out in this.
Yeah, we
they
don't
are
want them to make
literally just fighting.
Conversation.
Conversation.
On ice. They're fighting.
Quarreling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, let's see, Disha Patni or Patani,
Yeah.
however you say her name.
And Chitrangada Singh.
No, double
Chitrangada is saying.
double
she-
role. Disha Patni double role.
she's in love with herself.
I would love that.
Chitrangada is like
Chitrangada oh my
I have a
God.
new skill.
My
and that is
favorite.
I can, or I have been taught how to spot plastic surgery
Ooh.
on people.
You have eyes.
No,
Yeah.
but like all work, like eyebrow lift, buccal fat removal, jaw
Really?
contouring. So in Chitrangada saying in Delhi, not Delhi crime, some new
this new
season came up.
Nawaz wala Raat ke liye.
रात अकेली
Part
है.
two,
Dude, it's like
Bansal
she's wearing a Jabberwocky's mask, bro. It's like nothing, no
But it's
movement.
She was my
Looking good.
favorite,
She's
man.
looking
No,
good,
I know
but
we've discussed
there's no
this.
acting. There's no acting anymore because
The
face. You can't move the face anymore.
One thing is when they smile, you can see the upper lip stays like.
And
Yeah.
sometimes they can't smile also
They can't
because
smile.
of
and
the
you
Botox.
can't smile with your eyes
Yeah,
anymore.
eyes
Oh yeah,
become-
smizing doesn't
Yeah,
happen.
yeah,
you got.
Yeah, which is
Yeah,
scary.
It
oh,
becomes
yeah.
that. It goes like this.
Yeah,
so
it's not. Yeah, that's not.
You have to do
Poor
a
girl.
good job like Kris Jenner.
Kris Jenner.
She
is the
looks
mother.
like mother. She's looking
Oh.
like Kim
Bruce
Kardashian
Jenner. What about
only.
Bruce Jenner?
Bruce Jenner.
Caitlyn Jenner.
Oh,
Rather.
Best job,
Caitlyn.
best job.
Best job. Which two Indian male actors would you cast in Heated Rivalry if you had to?
I'm
You know,
sorry.
this is-
This one's gonna be an audio podcast.
We
The
can answer
heated
this.
rivalry male version. I want audio only.
Males.
Males. Tiger Shroff
Tiger Shroff,
and
definitely.
Really?
Vidyut Jamwal.
Oh, very
Two
good
guys who
bodies.
look like each other basically.
Yeah.
And they're
Damn.
never the whole show. They are never standing on the ground.
Yeah,
they're on the
somersault and
wall.
making out, yeah.
They're up somewhere. They're hanging off things.
It is a gymnastics competition. They are the captains.
Nice.
The whole
They are just like.
whole show. One of them is carrying the other. Like both their feet can't touch the
Yeah.
ground. That's
Nice.
Yeah.
They use each other as weights.
Yeah,
The
and
whole-
even if both of them, 1 foot of Vidyut and 1 foot of
Yes.
Tiger will be up.
Total 2 feet.
Both their legs will be up like
2
that.
points of
Together they are
contact.
2
one
points
person.
always.
Alex Honnold.
Yeah, always 2-point contact.
Yeah, I like this.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it. Some good picturization has happened in my head.
Picturization.
I think
nice.
let's make it happen.
Yeah.
Let's produce executive producer.
Yeah, I'm ready. We can give like notes and all. Like, no,
Yeah,
more
I'll
tongue, more
direct
tongue.
it.
You know what I think?
I'll be the intimacy coordinator.
Nice. I think whenever I read executive producer, what I assume is the producers put crores and then I come, I'm like 1 rupee
Yeah.
on top. Executive producer. But I come in a suit and I'm like, here's my 1 rupee. Let's make it happen, guys. I think anyone can be an executive producer. They
That
just
is
add
true.
40 of those names.
Dude, the best is in a Mallu movie, when you start it, they say like special thanks to, and they just name the whole industry.
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
Mohanlal, Mammootty,
Yeah.
and you have all your legends come, and
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
after that it starts like GVK Photo Studio,
Yeah.
this one Juice Shop,
Yeah.
Ambalapura Kayaking Center.
That is so cute, but
Thank the pineapple juice in the juice shop because that's what I drink. Pineapple juice, no sugar, only no ice.
this
It's
is
like,
like
really specific
But this
stats.
is like Farah Khan. She does this. Like
Yeah.
her credit role is a proper live.
But she does like she makes it entertaining, right? The
Yes.
credit
But
roll.
this
That's
is
different.
very entertaining.
No, this is the start of the movie, and they just thank
Oh.
everybody.
I have to say they really go crazy with it. And then suddenly there's 2 logos of things you don't know, then
Yeah.
3 logos, then 40 logos
Then
you
a
don't
dead
know.
person.
Yeah.
In
Missing
loving
you,
memory.
Missing you.
And this is
Bro,
at the
this
start.
is not the time.
The start.
Then at the
Before-
end, who are they thanking?
At the
Nothing.
end, it's
The
like
audience
it's
for
like,
watching.
It just says the end. It's like
The end,
Charlie
yeah.
Chaplin film. It's over.
Well, yeah, that's so funny in
My
Mallu
favorite
movies.
was in Great Indian Kitchen. It just says thanks science.
Yeah.
I love that beginning. It says thanks
yeah.
science.
You saw
Man.
the Hindi version?
No,
or
the Mallu
Mallu
version.
version.
Hindi version is supposed to be fully watered down. And even though they watered it down, people are like men's rights activists got angry.
Yeah.
They didn't even see the real
Wow.
thing, which is the
Yeah, that one
Malayalam
is-
version.
But there was some,
Crazy.
like, I remember having a discussion with someone and I was convinced. I forgot the point though.
Yeah.
But how it was bad. Stree, it was called.
no, her,
Her-
she.
No.
No,
She,
it
right?
was...
Yes, Stree, you're
Stree.
right. No, Stree, no, not Stree. Stree is the horror
Stree is a
one.
horror movie.
What
It was she, right? Or
that is
her?
Antriksh when we
no,
need
her
him.
is no, her is the different.
No,
It was something
this
like that, no?
is-
One word.
Comment what the Hindi version
Of
of
Great Indian Kitchen
Great
was.
Indian Kitchen. It's like her or
Sania Malhotra.
Stree is the other thing.
Uski.
Aurat.
No.
Oh,
Antriksh, what
wow,
is
yeah,
the Sania Malhotra Great Indian Kitchen ka Hindi version called?
The
That
Great Indian Kitchen.
ka Hindi...
Mrs. Yeah, Mrs.
Damn.
We were close. We were
We were-
close.
Yeah. Mrs.
Very
I
fast.
was like XX chromosome.
So that something about like the setting itself was wrong. In
Yeah.
this one, it's like still a privileged
Yeah,
system
the
where they're
household-
in.
If you're not going to show reality,
Yeah.
then don't pick this kind of topic.
Yes.
Because then it's defeating the purpose.
Yes.
You have to show the woman in that horrendous kitchen.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yes.
Like, see how the rest of
But
the house
maybe
is
it's
amazing.
also
and that-
like in that they're showing it in a very lesser privileged
no, it's a
background.
privileged house.
That's a privileged house.
Mallu
Malayalam.
one.
Yeah, even the Mallu one is a
Yeah, that's a
privileged
lesser
house.
privileged house compared to the Hindi
No,
one.
No.
it is a privileged house,
Very
but
privileged.
there
The
the
kitchen.
privileged gap in between the hall and, the kitchen.
And you're treating the new bride as like just this is your domain.
Yeah.
Even like the pipe is broken, they're not fixing it. They're
Fixing
like,
it.
Yeah, and that
what?
whatever chutney you have to hand do it
Yeah.
rather
Oh
than
man,
mixy.
just and
Dude, that
beautiful
is
and almost
deadly.
no dialogue. It's almost
Yeah.
it builds up
And
through
sounds, a lot of like
the amount of
working
washing,
sounds.
the
It's
washing
so
and
irritating. But the thing
you were
that
probably
I-
enjoying it. There's so much washing
No,
of
but it's
Yeah.
just,
cleaning.
But there's so much dirt also
Oh, yeah, that
around,
was
and
your
it keeps
problem.
building. It's the thing is, the moment she is finished, it's there again.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't stop. It's a never-ending
So
cycle.
you were not happy with how she wasn't cleaning it well enough.
Wasn't doing a
that
good
was your
job.
problem.
I think I'm
You would
with
have been
the
oppressed in
in-laws
that.
on this.
You would have remained oppressed.
औरत ही औरत की सबसे बड़ी
दुश्मन, that's the
दुश्मन है except मर्द but there's always goated.
Number one
Number one
dushman.
enemy
But
of
one
everyone.
second, Mrs. May,
Yes.
it was a much more fancy setup. But the thing is, I feel that also sends out a message that even in these fancier setups, this is happening.
Could be. I've not watched.
I've not even watched
Yeah.
it, so I have no right to
Yeah,
comment.
no.
But
Yeah.
that's what I
Yeah,
do
to
because
just-
that's what men do.
Men do, yeah.
We comment on shit, man.
Yeah.
Without
They don't
knowing
watch.
about it.
When they watch, they don't listen.
Yeah, we can't do both
So
together.
Yeah.
I just felt
We are
very-
stupid. We can't do both together. I think
is
you're
true.
saying that men can't listen and talk at the same time is punching down.
Really?
Yeah, because we are.
When did you all come below us?
Let
For
me
this
think.
argument.
When did that happen?
Let me think.
Only for this argument?
argument.
How convenient.
Let me think. When did we?
How do you get out of this?
53 minutes later.
Give me 2 episodes to think about this, but I'm
We'll
sure.
put it in the edit. We'll
Yeah,
get
yeah,
it back.
somewhere. In long distance swimming,
Yeah.
women are better than
better.
men. It's a sport where women
And
are
this,
better.
the reason is so sexist.
It
It's,
is
like, it's
very
because you have
sexist.
hips
Yeah.
and you can like buoyant.
buoyancy because of
Buoyancy
more
is different.
lipids in the body.
Long distance
Swimming, yeah.
Long distance swimming. I
What do
heard
you mean?
long
Non-relationships.
distance relationships. I'm
Yeah.
like,
No, long as men are the better one. Men are doing great.
Men know how to
Because they
keep
are
that
cheating.
going.
they are not
The
getting
key
caught.
to long distance is, another short distance relationship
Yeah.
nearby.
That's how
Is what
women.
some people are doing.
Women also enjoy long distance.
Yeah?
Because the more the distance between a man and her, the better for her. Woo.
That's a good one. I agree.
But what about other men?
That's
Who
true.
comes near
The
you?
moment you're far from one man, you're closer to
To another man.
That's
yeah.
the
You're
problem.
always.
That is
There's
true.
a-
Just moving.
Which is why I prefer two men being close to each other.
Yeah.
Heated rivalry.
Oh, man, are they paying you? Are you like the Indian brand ambassador?
I've
for
just
Heated?
watched.
It's a Netflix?
So no, actually, it's not available in India yet.
What?
So I had to
You
watch it.
torrented it?
You are a pirate.
I am a
You're our first
pirate. I'm
pirate we've
sorry,
ever had
but
as a guest.
You gotta do some things for.
OCD
We'll
pirate.
get a
Some
parrot
shit.
on your shoulder
Yeah.
in the edit.
But still, I would say. I mean, once it comes, I don't know if they'll even permit like
It's
a
that
show
level,
like that.
or what?
But what if we
They
remove?
showed
that
Euphoria.
level.
They showed Euphoria.
Oh, yeah,
in
actually.
India.
But
So-
the thing is that if the story has meat,
It has
meat,
a lot of meat.
without the makeout itself,
Yeah.
then let's watch the story alone.
Yeah, it has.
No, but it's also
it has
their
makeouts and it
love
has
because-
passion, the passion.
Yeah, like initially it was a situationship that built into love, right? So like there's a lot of that history also which is needed.
But that's crazy, how to find
And
out
there
if
should-
another person is also gay. If you're gay, to sense that,
Gaydar.
that's such a big risk.
It's yeah.
How
but
good is your gaydar?
I used to think it's pretty good,
yeah,
but
I'm
I've got
not.
it wrong. In the
Like
past.
you
Yeah.
thought they were gay and they weren't, or the other way around?
The other way around.
Oh.
Actually, it's because some people are it's quite like they are very demonstratively gay, and then some people.
I have shut down my gaydar. It's not
Oh, you
good to have.
put it
It's
off.
not good to even assume
Yeah.
it.
Fair
now.
enough, fair
it's
enough.
so tough.
That is true. I ultimately it's hard to
Yeah,
say.
but
that-
that's the I think for a gay person the toughest one to like a guy and be like, I hope he's gay,
Yeah,
and then
but
go like,
they're good with that. Their gaydar is
they,
way
they
better.
usually have a better.
Yeah,
gaydar.
but
okay.
one-off like situations. There is an episode in Heated Rivalry also where they aren't very sure, but you see how it gets resolved. So
I was really angry when I watched that show Euphoria because
Why?
because Palash was not in that show and there were none of their songs were in it. I was waiting for
Mairi, yeah.
Dhoom Pi Chak Dhoom was there, but not in the song.
Hey, when is the next season of Euphoria coming?
it
And
may
it can't
not.
have Zendaya. Zendaya, I saw her in Dune. I can't see her in college
She's
again.
too big now.
yeah, and she's too elder
No, but
also
she was
now.
already
Elder?
too big
Yeah.
in for
This
Euphoria
is a
1
college.
as
It's
well.
in high
and
school,
she
no?
was paid.
Sydney Sweeney was in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and now Sydney
it's-
Sweeney is also too big for that.
No,
Yeah,
she's
but-
coming back down.
But this show is really big, guys. It's not a small thing.
Heated rivalry, right?
No,
No,
Euphoria.
Euphoria.
Euphoria is big.
But
I know that, I
one of
watched
the
Okay, I've not
one of the main characters has already died, like in real life.
Oh, the drug guy, no?
The druggie.
Druggie, the
I
dealer.
forgot
What
his
a
name.
shocker.
The friend of
Kenzo,
Zendaya.
Kenzo, I
The
think.
Zendaya's friend in this.
Yes.
no?
You're saying
Yes.
the guy who convincingly plays a druggie died?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
of
also-
overdose, by
yeah,
the way. Yeah.
We
By the way, corner story of heated rivalry is being compared to Heath Ledger, like because of his acting skills, and he's also what they call a polyglot.
Oh, yeah,
He's very good at languages.
So he's not even a Russian, but he's playing a Russian, and
He can speak
delivers Russian monologues, and like the director would look at like the Russian language expert and be like, well, how much of this can be used? And they're like, all of it.
Wow.
But is this the
That
BTS or is this a part of the script?
No,
is like the real
this
life.
is in real
Oh.
life. They were like checking, and like he.
But I
just
can
picks
speak
it up.
Russian like that. If you ask me anything, I'll speak Russian right now. Ask me a question.
But do you
what are
have
your
a
thoughts on
great
heated-
ass? That's the
Huh?
question. But do you have a great ass? No. Corner story.
Listen,
can do
you
it
can
both.
work
Da.
on an ass.
Da. No, Russian, I thought you were going to answer.
Yeah, please.
What is Russian for yes? That's the only word I don't know.
Da, that
Ah, Sputnik, Bliknik, Baklik.
Yeah, Yuri Gagarin.
Yuri Gagarin.
Laila.
Vladimir Putin. Putin, slink, blink,
Dimitri
slink, blink.
Medvedev.
Slink, slink, blink, blink, slink. blink.
KGB.
is no.
How do you know if I'm saying
It's
something?
I
We are saying
I
Russian
can-
words. It just doesn't make sense. That's all.
Prigodlik, blink, monk. Slink,
What does
blink,
that
blink,
That's
mean?
Italian
blink, bro.
almost. It's
No, the
Yeah.
Italian is
You're-
Mamma mia, Santa Maria, maravillo. Marra, marra, maravillo. Antriksh has been to Italy. He's confirming that it's exactly how they sound. He, for a second, he had a flashback to his, like, when he went there for honeymoon, right? The amount of
this is
exhaling he
giving me
does.
flashbacks of when you and I had to play that old couple for Comic Stand.
Yeah, I was
This is
channeling
how
my
he
boy.
was sounding. And oh yeah, by the way, that time he told me his mom has OCD, and he's like,
Little
you
bit.
know, this is what I mean, yeah, a little bit, and he's like, this is what she doesn't like, and he was messing my bed to show what his mom doesn't like, and I'm like, you know, you can verbally explain it to me, just
Dude,
you don't have to like.
My mom, it's like if I sit on the bed, she's immediately like, when you sat, this happened. First, remove that. She's like, I'll show you. I sat, it didn't happen. But I'm like, but then that, I can't live like this. I
Yeah.
have to think about.
Yeah.
You also
Even
do that?
I
It's like, dude.
I'm so attracted to your mom right now.
At one point, I'm like,
Heated rivalry.
Cheated rivalry. Shomik's mom and me.
oh,
Hey, auntie, if you're watching this, call me.
Auntie is not watching. Auntie is banned from watching all this. Auntie, if you're watching, please don't watch. First guy to call his own mother auntie.
Yeah.
I'm distancing myself from my mother. I'm like, auntie, please. Auntie, please, no.
Dude, I just realized that my mom, I thought she watched the whole podcast. She only watches first 5 minutes, bro. We don't have the attention to. She doesn't have the attention to see her own son.
We are so arrogant. We're like, she's
How old
watching
is
the whole
your mom?
How old is my mom? Oh, that's never ask a woman her age.
Yeah.
So I'm
Especially if she's
asking her
your
son,
mom.
that's why.
But I have to ask her, right?
I'm not asking her. You tell me, bitch.
I don't know. She'll be like 60s.
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 Okay. So
Nice.
this and your mom?
Similar.
Okay. Just want to know. I'm just like this target audiences.
Dude, this is
Not.
good. But I just thought this is like a good Rodney Dangerfield joke. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not even close to my mom. I called her auntie. That's like
yeah.
exactly his joke. I mean, his
Yeah,
is a better,
but-
more X-rated version
Yeah.
of this. You know,
What is it?
He's like, you know Rodney
Oh,
Dangerfield?
I think
No.
He's like, my mom never breastfed me. She said she likes me as a friend. Which is a insane, insane joke.
Oh my god.
Check out Rodney Dangerfield. He's not touring anymore.
Yeah.
But he's very funny.
But do you all have Instas?
I don't have Insta.
Nope. I
No?
used to have a Twitter.
Yeah, Twitter.
I used to have
Oh,
a
why
second.
I
for
don't have
Twitter
that.
though?
Because I would get into arguments with people. I used to jump in on arguments using the fake one because I don't obviously want to do that on mine. And
Correct.
Twitter is like, people are waiting for a fight. If you
Yeah.
want to jump in, we are
Yeah.
ready.
You go in there.
There's like piranhas are waiting
Yeah.
to bite if you just want to dangle your
Nice.
foot. And I would get into
You
arguments.
have Insta?
I have Insta.
What do you
to like my own posts and reels and share them for brand reels so then I can show more
this is
insights.
One more you can show.
One share.
No, I can share it with myself like some 7-8 times.
Share with myself?
Or you'll
Like I'll
share it on your DM.
to my real Insta,
I'm not understanding.
Like she up to the reel
my
from her
fake
own.
Insta. Say I'm sending my brand reel from Pavi212 to Pavi212 like 10 times. If
Okay.
I share it with Pavi212 10 times, that arrow thing should change.
Okay.
That's a smart thing, right?
It's very scalable.
I
This
think-
is how
I think,
Bangladesh click farms.
I think what you're doing is like, I'm trying to find an analogy for this. It's like
Yeah.
you've come to a war where everyone has like bazookas with like a paper cutter, and you're like, I will murder everyone
yeah, just
with
a
this.
little.
Slowly.
Sometimes you need like
No, I get it.
one.
But this is a very noble way of using a Finsta. I've not
Yeah.
heard of.
Yeah.
I thought I'm sure you're using it for other purposes.
You stalk people with that, right?
Yeah.
No, I mean like I can like only I think if 1-2 stories of people if I want to see without like
Yeah.
my name
Your name
appearing.
appearing.
But that's like very little. Like these are people who I don't know, so I don't care if they see my name.
Yeah,
and
they're like,
there.
who's this Shavitra Petty? I've seen my reel.
Yeah.
Oh, but I always keep changing my Finsta name
Yeah,
also,
that's
and I keep
classic.
it all like, yeah.
What name? Give a
Yeah.
few of them.
Actually, I don't
Right-wing
remember
warrior.
right now what my Finsta is.
Right wing warrior has liked
Right
your.
now it would be something like heated rivalry, fan number 1
That's
or
right.
something.
But yeah, I wanted to ask you because you are like Pavitra is famously the friend of everyone's type of what? No, that's not how you phrase it. She's everyone's,
Everyone's friend.
She's
Everybody's
everybody's
friend.
friend.
Everybody
And,
loves Pavi.
She loves friendship in a way I don't understand.
Yeah.
So I want to understand your tips and tricks for our audience.
How to maintain a friendship.
How to maintain a friendship. How to maintain many friendships.
Yeah.
Because you are really an expert at this.
What is the polyamorous equivalent of that? Poly
Yeah.
what?
Oh, I'm a friend slut.
Okay.
basically,
There's no,
or
that-
an
no, I don't know if that's the
extrovert.
scientific term, but we'll go
Yeah.
with that.
Pretty sure.
Extrovert is what I call myself.
Extrovert, yes.
Yeah,
Extrovert,
it's like
that's a.
more than
yeah.
extro.
Oh, extrovert.
So for me, one, though it is easier because I really like talking to people and I'll get excited and
Yeah.
I'll be like, I look forward to, okay, on this date I have to meet this friend and do this activity. So that really helps. But apart from that, like I think keep more friend groups. Then what happens is you'll meet that one friend group after say like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Then it's like fresh. I'm not meeting the same person again and again, so I don't get bored of them also.
Okay, so
Then
you keep
there's-
cycling.
Yeah, cycling. So then it's like a good 2.5 week gap, and then there's so much to talk in that 2.5 weeks that you're like, and then you also have, they'll be like, oh, what's up with this person and that person? And then you're giving them updates about other friends, and they're like, oh, wow, that's also happening. And
So basically, whatever you should not do in relationships, you should do that with friends.
With
Like keep
friendships.
jumping for every few days
Yeah.
with others.
like each friend group fills another void in me. Like one is more for emotional void, one is sports void, one is like
you just have to change 1-2 words in all that you're
Yeah.
saying, and it's the boy journal.
Yeah, you're
like
the
Yeah.
first
boy.
man ever.
Yeah.
yes, I'm a boy when it comes
And
to friends.
yeah, I heard you are filling the voids.
Yeah. Yeah.
There are many voids to fill, and here
That's
you
what
are-
your mom said. So sorry. I'm so sorry, Auntie. I'm just going for the joke.
Yes.
Also, isn't it easier to? Sorry, I'm just like.
Please continue, please,
I just wanted to.
please.
I didn't want to interrupt it with a sneeze, so I thought I'll interrupt it with some talking.
Mm-hmm.
But like, it's easier to sometimes give the benefit of doubt and just be friends than get pissed and annoyed. So I feel like a lot of people like have lower thresholds of
Yes.
getting irritated and like getting rid of a
Yes.
friend. But I feel like that takes more effort to get angry, to confront, to
Interesting.
You're
avoid.
avoidant. You're avoidant friend.
No, but
But I'm
no,
not
I think she's
avoiding,
saying
no.
she's not able to be avoidant because you can avoid someone, but it's
Yeah,
rather you
I
don't
can
want to go
forgive
through
fast.
the.
Oh, okay, you
Faster.
forgive fast.
Like I'll see it from their POV and then I'll be like, I get why they've done this or whatever. So it's easier.
So,
that way.
but here's the thing. Sometimes in friendships, because especially you're friends with many people, there'll be situations where you're friends with 2 people,
Yeah.
and they are not friends.
Sparring.
yeah.
But you have to sort of maintain your loyalties to both people.
Yeah.
So do you do
Correct.
that? Okay, let's say A and B, and you're friends with A and B, but A doesn't like B. So if A starts bitching about B to you,
What do you say?
what do you say in
You're
that
like-
situation?
So this has happened a lot already in my
Yes.
life. And different situations. And one in which A and B fought, and A and B were kind of say both bitchy to each other. But A and B have been great to me.
Yeah.
See. So C has to be friends with both, and I explained to both of them that we don't obviously hang out together, but
Yes.
this is the thing.
This is the equation.
And there have been, like, in the start when the fight is happening and that breakup is happening, suppose
Yeah.
it was a common group,
Yeah.
they will vent and vent. I will try, I am thoda Baba Sehgal, Baba Siddiqui that way,
Okay.
where I
Whoa.
will try to moderate,
Okay.
not dead. I mean, just basically.
You're like what?
trying
Like
to-
Qatar is right now. Like
Yeah.
all warring nations, they come to Qatar
Oh, is
too.
that? Oh, Qatar is the Arab Sweden. no?
Yeah, so they come there and they're like, hey guys, like
Let's
we-
solve
this is where all the is. Come.
Got it.
Yeah, because but obviously, like one is your individual friendship, but one is a group friendship,
Yeah.
right? Like obviously, I can still be friends with
Yeah.
Shamek and you, but then if both of y'all
I mean,
stop
if
talking.
this podcast would be tough to do then.
Yeah, exactly. So then this equation is very different than a one-on-one and a
Yeah.
one-on-one. So
Okay.
I'll also miss out on that thing. So
yeah.
I'm also selfish for like that. Why is that part of our friendship going? So I'll try to fix it.
Yeah.
If I'll be like, oh, there are some misunderstandings. I won't reveal what that other person has said.
Yeah.
But maybe if there's some part which can help fix, like if
Yes.
some misunderstandings, I'll like let out just the right amount.
Hmm.
But then beyond that, if it doesn't happen, we once and for all close the chapter. And then we don't really discuss that person. The other person also respects that. But then there have been cases where like one person has really wronged the other person. And I also trust and believe that this is a case. But they've not done that to me. So, and we also have a professional equation. So I'll be careful of the person who has wronged me, wronged my friend, because I'm like, I can also be next.
You could be a victim of that.
So, but then like,
So you keep your guard up, but you still give the benefit of the doubt that so
Yeah.
far nothing has happened to me, so I'm
And
maintaining.
I'll always be there to listen to the friend who was wronged, and they can vent and.
Wow,
bitch
that's a
and
lot of
everything.
yeah.
It's a
That
lot of
takes
work.
a lot of work. For you in the comments, guess who A and B are.
Ah.
कर दिया ना भाई ने वायरल कर दिया कलेश.
This is like those Reddit gossip, right? Or I
Yeah.
heard that
Yeah.
this guy was making out with this girl, and then you have to read the comments to be like,
Yeah,
"What?
yeah.
Who's it?" You know?
कलेश कर दी मैं कलेश.
कलेश.
This Shamek suddenly becomes a North Indian comic.
Yeah.
या क्या चल रहा है भाई
Especially-
कलेश
and
कर दी मैंने.
We reached Delhi. If we've ever gone for a Delhi trip together, the bags are coming like bag aa gaya veere. And
I
I'm like,
become
what is this
so
version?
I'm so cringe
Yeah.
North Indian. I'm like
It's-
दिल्ली आ गया मैं वो.
Suddenly he's like bhencho. And I'm like, this is so
चल
weird.
गेड़ी गेड़ी मारते हैं भाई.
Delhi and the badminton court is where Shamek becomes full Hindi.
चल
And-
भाई. It's much more fun to get angry in Hindi
Yes.
than in English. English you get angry, people just like
Take you
Yeah.
seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're
It's
like,
too
"Oh, we're really
fancy."
angry."
Yeah.
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 and yeah, it's also funny to people when I am speaking
Yeah.
Hindi just because they haven't seen it a lot.
Mm.
So I realize how many people have never seen me speak in Hindi because when I sometimes will say a sentence in Hindi, they're like, whoa, what
But
is
your Hindi is good.
It's okay, it's not
Yeah.
good. But
not
that's-
good.
My problem is if I
No,
speak in
it's
Hindi,
okay.
it's just like it's bad.
yeah, his Hindi is epic.
No,
His
the
Hindi
opposite.
is
Like
it's-
Jia.
It's
and-
just bad. No, Jia
Jia-
still is rooted in like.
no, Jia speaks Hindi in a British accent.
Accent,
You
yeah.
speak, have you watched Company, the movie? Ram
Yeah.
Gopal
No,
Varma?
I
Mohanlal
haven't
and that.
Mohanlal and Company.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will.
I
Like with the
watch.
thick accent, everything.
Like, why don't you just, you
No,
are
I-
here.
no,
just,
no.
Say,
Just next
I will
3
let you
minutes
go in
we'll
Hindi
talk.
to her.
मैं तेरे को छोड़ दूंगी.
I didn't realize
That's what
what a
Shamik's
crazy
mom
sentence I chose.
Yeah.
I didn't realize
I
what-
had to like
God.
tightrope it one.
I think we got the cold open for this
Yeah.
show. First line, Gautam to Pavitra.
मैं तेरे को छोड़ दूंगी.
People are already like, y'all are acting like boys club and all. We bring a female guest, first line, मैं तेरे को छोड़ दूंगी. Jesus Christ. We were saying, I will leave you, all right? Just to clarify, let the record state.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Man, I was yesterday.
What
I,
a- yeah,
do
you tell.
I don't know if you guys are into this. Do you guys like snack a lot on like
Snack?
Yeah, you're a big snacker, right, dude? This
Yeah.
Swiggy, all these quick commerce places have like a lot of like snacky options these days. Man,
It's
remember that
great.
day that Thai mango slices we had.
Oh,
Yeah, we had
So
that.
good.
And then yesterday, I mean, obviously it's all hit or miss. Yesterday I had whey ice cream, whey protein ice cream. Probably the shittiest thing I've had
Bad?
in like years. But
Yeah.
still, like the kind of things that are there.
The options.
I think
are
there's that
crazy.
market is like a fun, open space right
Yeah.
now. But I also think that means a lot of it is like we are being tested on.
Yeah.
So I keep trying snacks also, and I've eaten some. I'm like, this one they
No.
haven't worked
Shall we
on yet.
queue? Really?
Yeah, I like new snacks. I go to.
But healthy ones.
No, I try, but my all this healthy
Yeah.
stuff is. I do this when we meet because I have already
Yeah.
done some bad thing to
He-
myself at home.
Actually, I think when he's like kind of not scolding, but
scold.
whatever,
Huh.
low level
Huh.
scolding
Berating.
Shrija and me
Yes.
berating when we
Yeah.
are eating rubbish. So I think he's probably talking to himself.
Yeah,
because
that's
he's-
usually what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's because I've already like eaten something terrible that
Yeah, this
day.
guy
Yeah.
eats fries.
Yeah.
I don't eat fries like that.
Yeah, you like who likes fries?
You like fries are the
yeah,
best. What's
truffle
wrong with you?
fries. Yum.
You don't like fries?
No.
Why?
It's a like I think it's a waste in the burger when they bring fries. I'm
You're
like,
crazy,
yo,
dude.
just, like,
Fries
take it away.
are sometimes just as good as the burger. Sometimes
yeah,
better.
sometimes better. Sometimes I start with that and I
this
don't
is-
even
Trix
want
will
the
not
burger.
produce our show. He's saying.
Yes, cut my audio.
Yeah.
Fries are awesome. Please comment if you like
No,
fries.
fries are, dude. this
Like,
guy-
what is your problem with it? Like,
It's just like there's no flavor.
put piri piri on it. Put truffle oil on it.
Truffle oil. Whoa,
Yeah.
all
I
right, bro.
can't
I'm
eat that.
sorry.
I
Not
can't eat
him.
truffle oil.
Yeah.
What are you allergic to truffle oil?
I'm allergic to truffle. I'm allergic now to avocado. Anything that's
Yeah.
that wealthy people eat, my
Oh,
stomach
that's
All
a
can't.
nice
yummy
thing, man.
things. Yeah, when we go out, he doesn't eat
My
only all
stomach
that
is
stuff.
my stomach is poor.
What
Yeah.
happens when you have?
I
just
guess
have,
me
like,
stomach
okay.
issues. It's not allergy.
Not
it's
allergy.
intolerance or
Yeah.
whatever.
Like all the non-veg people in the group, like him and Shad, usually, like then I can share with them.
Yeah.
Shad will not have pork. So like pepperoni pizza, but then he's there for pepperoni
Yeah,
pizza.
that's the
So then
best.
I'm like,
I love
ठीक है, हम ये वाला बांट के खाएंगे.
Yeah.
But then he can't do truffle and avocado. So there's
I
like a
can't do
chicken avocado.
shellfish also.
Oh yeah, that even I can't. do.
Shellfish
I'll
is a very
also die.
common.
It's a common allergy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel people who don't even have an allergy should not eat. Like you may
What?
just drop dead anytime.
What?
Like yeah, like people.
But it's like the tastiest thing everyone keeps
I
saying.
know, but it's very like if people have not cleaned it properly. Like unless you go to a fancy restaurant, I would say
Avoid
be
it.
a little wary.
There's
For
a-
me, I've become lactose intolerant.
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, even I became shellfish
yeah,
intolerant.
Avocado, I used to eat it all the time.
Yeah, I was
Same.
like milk boy. I was just full milk from the start. As
Milky Bar.
Milky Bar.
Are you eat Milky Bar? You won't be allergic.
Yeah,
to
because
it.
there's no milk in that.
It's pure 3D.
a Bari bar.
3D
I'm the
printed.
tester. I am the milk tester. Like how much milk content is there? But any cool snacks you discovered on this one? Like something I can try?
So,
like
Ice
Bombay
cream
special?
sandwich,
Oh, yeah,
Amul
Baskin Robbins.
or Cream Bell. No, you have to try the Amul or Cream Bell. It's
Baskin
not too
Robbins?
sweet. It's just that you will like
I've
this.
got to say, Cream Bell is one of the best names for.
Yeah.
It just invites you. Cream Bell, I want it.
Guys,
What is it?
Baskin Robbins Funwich. It's $100. It
Funwich.
has that cookies,
Correct.
ice cream cookies, right?
Same.
Yeah, I
this
know
also
how to
has
bite.
cookie and
That's what-
ice cream.
with ice cream-
But $50 and $40.
But this is a big one. But see, with ice cream, right? I have I have reached a point where I have lost hope in all these artisanal gourmet ice creams. I'm back to big ice cream. Give me big ice cream.
Big
people.
ice cream,
Baskin
mainstream.
Robbins, all these guys. They're putting something in it, like McDonald's or like
Synthetic.
yeah, synthetic. I like that. I'm back
But
to that.
Amul also has cookie and cream version of the same sandwich. So try that then. And that's also
Okay.
still $50.
I'll try all of them.
It's
Let's see.
very nice. Like very.
But Amul is
very
like
nice.
pure milk.
Pure
It might be risky.
Oh yeah, this guy has
Oh.
lactose intolerant. He's not intolerant to something a person made in the lab with some bits of plastic. His stomach can digest plastic.
Completely synthetic friendly.
Why are we never allergic to all the
Yeah.
toxic stuff? Huh? Plastic is my stomach. Is like,
Yeah, I
give me
think the
plastic.
biggest
I'm
allergy
allergic
is
now
like
to
cyanide.
picnic and peppy and all, dude. That
You're allergic to
tomato powder.
peppy?
Yeah, because I should
Dude.
be
Peppy,
like,
the chips.
suddenly my voice is going and I'll be like, 1 second.
That's
Every
not
time
allergic.
my voice goes, but it's allergy.
It's like
My
some
throat
spice.
is acting up.
It's
so
the throat gets because of the. But peppy. I don't eat it except I
Yeah.
allow myself once in a while for nostalgia.
Yeah.
It's so tasty,
It's
dude. Peppy.
too
You don't like
fucking
peppy?
good.
I'm a
Even
big
love
like
it.
Lay's.
Pringles.
Okay,
Pringles.
Pringles, a
Pringles
pizza
are always up
flavor.
there.
And Pringles, guys, I mean, it's just sad how you can buy the Indian Pringles and the American Pringles and see the difference.
It's wrong.
They have,
Yeah.
in the Indian one, they just put flavor on one side of the chip.
Yeah.
And the other side, they're like, yeah, you take it from the one below.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the one that's facing. It's the one facing the camera. That's why
Yeah,
I just-
that's full makeup is done.
Yeah.
In the US one, like proper,
Yeah.
all sides, everything done.
Yeah,
I
but
think when
that's
I'm having the American, the pizza flavor is the American,
American,
one
American,
only, no?
yeah.
It's like visibly more expensive also.
Yeah, it is.
yeah, it's never. There is no product where the Indian version is the more flavorful.
Yeah.
one. Like in
When,
packaged foods.
I mean, not. I don't want to dox you, but there's like one place, one medical shop which has like all foreign chocolates and all,
Yeah, yeah.
right near where he stays. I go there, only the UK Cadbury.
Good, huh?
Oh, bro,
I live there. I've never tried it. I
very
gotta
nice,
go. I gotta
very
go.
nice. All
Okay,
the
today I will try.
those are very nice because they don't have that sugar like that punch
Yes.
the nuts
Correct.
you get,
So
right?
Yes.
like, but Indian M&Ms, okay, taste as good as the foreign
MC Stand.
M&Ms.
MC Stand is Indian M&M. Sorry. Yeah.
But it's way cheaper, and that's why it's not available that readily.
Oh, it's like
which is
fully-
why if you eat M&Ms, then you can't go to Gems because it's like what?
Yeah, but
like
But Gems is like
it's
yeah.
too
But
sweet
okay,
then.
guys. But have you ever eaten butter chicken in America? It's garbage.
Yeah?
So just remember, we have the best actual foods.
Yeah,
all right?
of
True.
course.
Food that matters. I'm just putting this in there so everyone
Yeah.
realizes we love India.
Yeah, we love India.
Just
We
to
love
clarify.
We just
India.
don't like commerce.
Like
The-
Turtle
Commerce.
Chips is, I think, an Indian brand,
Uncle
which
Chips.
is also
Turtle Chips.
Turtle Chips, like
Turtle
the,
Chips.
the
Yeah, yeah.
shell.
Yeah, yeah, she's brought
shaped
turtle
thing.
chips once.
Chips,
Yeah.
you know where you should look at Middle East. Middle East has a lot of interesting chips.
Oh my god,
yeah,
I love
the oyster.
Oyster.
Yeah, they're
The
not oyster. Some
shrimp
shit,
flavored
shrimp
ones are
flavored,
there.
I know.
Prawn chips.
That's in US also. They love that.
But, like
I, can't
Oman
eat that.
chips
Oman
and
chips, that's big.
It's Oman flavored. What
the
is that
flavor
exactly?
of a country that's not as successful as neighbors.
UAE,
This is not as good as Abu Dhabi.
We could have done way more.
Dubai chips would be better. Dubai chips is like inside the chip pista. is.
Dubai
God.
chocolate. Have you had that Dubai chocolate?
I just can't. I'm not a dry food gal.
Oh.
So
Yeah, I also
just-
like my food wet. So we're going to do now our celebrated segment and only segment on our show called Small Talk Different Year.
Second segment now. You have a
Oh,
sneezing segment.
that's not a
too.
segment.
That's a game. That's like
fine.
like a shtick.
That's a shtick.
Okay.
We don't have yeah, whatever. This one's called Small Talk Different Year. We are in a different year now and we're continuing our conversation. And the year we have chosen is 2010.
Ooh.
Let's go.
15 years back.
That's
Can you guys believe it's 15 years back? It's fucking crazy, yeah?
Man, where will we be in 15 years, right? Think about that.
I think Instagram will be done. This new thing, Instagram, that's
Yeah.
come now.
What is that? I didn't even see it. I
pe-
was
I think
in Orkut.
It's
Yeah.
it's. I mean, I feel in 15 years, a lot of men will be doing podcasts and like they'll just keep talking and
What are you
talking.
saying? Who would
and-
listen to that?
Exactly, right? And then they'll call like a woman guest once in a while for representation and then think like they're like feminists and all of that.
I hate those men. They are pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they'll show up late to their own podcast and
What?
then like blame
Not all
the-
men, but always a man.
always a man.
Wow, that's a
yes.
long hashtag.
Yeah.
That's a long hashtag.
very very long hashtag.
Not all men, but always a man. And when a man.
Yeah, but you know, I think our like entertainment, we don't have anything that has like men on men romance.
Yeah.
There's that.
I mean,
right?
there's no market for that. If there was a market for that, we would have it.
Yeah, I think I would want to watch it.
Hmm.
Maybe now, but okay, 15 years is what it will
you-
take.
15 years? You
It will
think
be
we'll be
worth
there?
the wait.
Will
yeah.
be worth the wait. And do you
Yeah.
have like a suggestion for a setting in which this kind of
Maybe,
romance would
like,
play out?
Two men who are like captains of an ice hockey team,
Oh,
and they're
ice hockey.
like,
What's
yeah.
that? What-
That's
It
so
has to be-
unrealistic.
Yeah. What about a cricket team? Two cricketers.
it's already happening there, so I want it to be a
Little
little more,
different.
different and like
Understandable.
Right, no, man.
unbelievable. Should feel like fantasy.
It should feel like a fantasy.
Yeah, correct.
Maybe 15 years from now we'll be ready for something like
Correct.
What
that.
are you listening to these days, man?
Oh,
Just
I
like,
am
I'm
listening
just-
to this. Everyone hates this guy, this little kid who has come out with a song called Baby.
Oh.
I can't stand him.
Justin Bieber.
I can't stand him. You know what I think? I think the guy who was on the song with him,
Yeah.
he has a future. Drake, one guy was there.
Drake.
He's
He was
featured,
with him in a
yeah,
song?
in Baby.
No.
Drake is there in the video. Ludacris
Yeah.
is there, and Drake is in the
Oh,
video.
okay,
Did you see
okay.
that guy?
I didn't see the video,
He was
sorry.
really cool, man. Drake guy.
Drake is a cool guy.
cool
I
guy.
like his
he is.
haircut though.
Yeah, he looks like a guy who will be a good father.
Yeah, I love
once.
a rapper. Yeah, he looks like a good family guy. And
Yeah.
I like a rapper whose name is Aubrey. That's
Yeah,
my favorite.
Aubrey.
is a great name for a rapper.
Rapper,
Yeah.
And I just feel like that's the guy who's going to rule the industry, and there's going to be no one can compete with
Yeah.
that guy. There's like no one can rival
But
his
this
presence.
Justin Bieber guy, he's
But,
like
yeah.
a kid. He's like in his underwear.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Right,
which is
he's
why
like
his song is about a
he's
baby.
baby. Like what?
Yeah.
Like how will? Why are people sexualizing him so much?
I have no
The
idea.
world is
dude.
full of
He's
pedos.
produced by this, like I heard his friends.
He
with
better put a song apologizing for this.
later.
For
Yeah,
sure.
later.
Yeah, this makes sense.
Wow.
Say sorry.
Wow, I see
But
now
it'll
why you were saying that
probably-
previous sentence.
But it'll probably be too late to apologize. So,
Oh, that's a different artist altogether.
which will also.
I think you crossed a lake over there.
But I heard the good thing for Justin Bieber.
Bye, yeah.
The good thing
Yeah.
for his career is he's got the right person backing him. There's this guy Puff Daddy.
Oh,
P.
dude.
Diddy, Sean Diddy
Sean
Combs.
Combs.
Sean Diddy Combs is
Entrepreneur.
producing him. So, I mean, what could go wrong? You know, his career
Yeah.
is going to take off. He's
It's
going to have a
smooth, oiled
Yeah.
up career.
It's a sensible, smooth, no, it's yeah.
Lubricated.
It's gonna be a good career for this guy.
Yeah.
It's oiled up and it's baby oil
Yeah.
because his song is. That's what the song's about.
yeah.
He's a baby and his career is
That
well oiled.
relationship, right? That relationship reminds me of like Macaulay Culkin and Michael Jackson.
Yeah, it was just a few years
Mentorship.
ago. Few years ago.
Yeah.
It was only
Just,
yesterday.
yeah, it was only yesterday.
But moving on from this topic, this new building has inaugurated Burj Khalifa. Have you guys heard of it?
What?
yeah.
They're saying it's the tallest building
Where
in
is
the
it?
world.
Yeah.
Somewhere in that
Is
neighborhood.
it taller than you?
It's like it's not even close. It's embarrassing. That's how much taller it is, and they're saying it
Burj
will be,
Khalifa?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a hotel?
Is
a
it related to
building.
that?
It's
Okay.
a corporate office, I think.
Okay, but where is this? Like,
It's in, the
Mumbai?
Is
Middle
it
East.
named
Oh,
after
Middle East.
any porn star?
No,
Oh, is
no,
it
no,
named
no.
after
What is porn? I don't even watch all these things.
Oh, you don't watch?
No, this is 2010. I'm not into all this.
Oh,
Oh,
I mean,
not yet.
that's weird.
listen, the character.
We don't want to judge, but we are judging a little bit.
But what do you guys think? Tallest building, is that like a thing? Like we should stop this, right? Every year making a new
Yeah.
building
man.
What
to
is
stop
this
itself.
stupid
Dude, what,
competition?
Like any country will come and make like a tall building. Like even some places that don't even identify as a country, like
Yeah.
a Taiwan will
Yeah.
make a big building. What are you going to do
Yeah,
then?
and then
Yeah.
here's the thing: if you don't make it the tallest building,
Yeah.
then how do you compete?
Yeah.
You have to be like, let's have this guy, I don't know, climb it.
Yeah.
Let's have a guy climb it and be
And
like,
yeah,
oh, he
then
climbed the.
However
Without
big it is,
any
one guy
support.
without a rope will come and climb it,
Yeah.
and then you're like, it's not that tall.
And now it's
Correct.
taller because he's on top. You're measuring with him
yeah,
on the
it's
top.
like that Guinness World of Guinness World.
Guinness World of Book Records. The Guinness World of Book Records is my favorite.
It's my favorite story.
My
storybook.
favorite is the Book World of Guinness Records.
The
That's
book
my
world of
favorite.
Guinness,
Yeah.
the record world of book Guinness.
Guinness World of
Uh,
Limca Records.
Limca,
Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah.
in that, like there are people like the longest nail, and nobody's competing.
Longest nails.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
So-
like another way of saying dirtiest guy.
Exactly, laziest guy.
Laziest guy award.
So
Let's
who's
call it
even
what it is.
competing?
Yeah,
with this
it is random. This
Burj
like,
guy.
no need. It's
But-
just like this Arabs. No, they have a problem. They're just like
But-
they'll build like a big building. After that, they'll be like, oh, let's make like a city itself vertically.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
they'll be like, oh, let's kill a journalist. I mean,
It's
where does it
just,
end?
where does it
Yeah,
end?
Yeah.
where does it end?
We know where it ends for the journalist.
Yeah,
But where
in
does
an
it all
embassy.
end? Then we'll make a thing called, I don't know if it's already made, so I'll skip this one. The palm thing.
Yeah,
Is
it's
the
already
palm
there. Yeah.
Is there a palm-shaped island area in
I don't know
Dubai?
if it's
World-shaped
but-
island.
World shape.
Yeah, it's the whole map of the world.
Oh.
over there, yeah.
Yes.
Are you talking about the view from outer space?
No, but from outer space you can see the world and you can see a map of the world
Or inside the world.
But
Yeah.
from space.
It's like Inception, the movie that
Yeah.
just came out this
That
year.
came out just now?
Yeah.
Oh,
did it?
2010.
Did you
yes.
understand it? I didn't understand it.
It'll
I
take me
think
some
I
time.
understood it. Or maybe I was dreaming that I understood it.
No.
Did you spin a top and check? If it fell down, you
Oh.
didn't understand. it.
Yeah.
But it blacked out then.
Oh,
That's
Even in your
Are
life,
you sure you were in a
Yeah.
movie?
But actually, if you look at from space, the whole Earth it's an island. If you think about it,
Whoa.
Yeah.
An
It's a
island
crazy
of air.
thought.
An island
Yeah.
in air.
in air,
Yeah.
space is an ocean
Yeah.
and Earth is an island.
Damn.
Man,
I
this
think
is-
you speak more like this, you'll be invited to Epstein Island Science Conference.
What
dude.
is that island?
Stephen Hawking does science conferences in Jeffrey Epstein's
Really?
Island. It's really good.
Man.
People like they go back.
How do you get an invite for that?
You just have to be like, I don't know yet.
The Lost series finale. How bad was that?
Dude, it
guys?
was
Am I
horrible.
right? It was the worst.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I didn't watch it.
Yeah,
But
because I
people have
heard it's
told
so
me.
bad,
Yeah.
I didn't even bother watching
Yeah,
it.
I very smartly didn't start it only. I knew the finale will be bad.
Dude, but like, what do you think? Like this year, like the Khan War is like big.
Khan Wars.
The Khan Wars.
Shah Rukh and
Shah
Salman.
Rukh.
And
Salman.
Amir, Three Idiots,
Oh,
Dabangg,
yes.
and My Name is Khan. I mean, like we're seeing range in the great Khan range.
3 Idiots and My Name is Khan have come out this year.
Yeah.
Wow.
I never thought they came out together this year. Damn. Amazing. dude.
By the
You
way,
have short-term
I was
memory.
in IIM Bangalore when they were shooting for
Oh, yeah?
Three Idiots. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
how was
was in the street play team. They wanted me to actually perform in the movie as well, but
And then what
I
happened?
was like, this is too small for me, so I rejected.
Now, what do you do now?
Now I'm just a year older and in college studying and watching my friends from college who are in the movie. There are
Yeah.
top shots of them in the bathrooms in Three Idiots with their pants down.
Amazing.
Wow.
So I'm kind of glad I passed on
But
that opportunity.
You're like, you finished your IIM, right? Where are you
no,
working?
I was in engineering. I went to IIM Bangalore just for a street play competition.
Wow, thanks for bringing this up, yeah. We love these riveting stories of going to IIM for street play. The least lucrative thing to go to IIM for maybe ever.
But I met Amir Khan, Madhavan, and that Sharm
Darshil.
guy.
Darshil
No,
Safari.
Darshil
Sharman-
Safari. No, Sharman Joshi.
Sharman
Sharman
Joshi.
Okay, rank the 3 and we'll wrap up this segment.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll
Oh.
wrap up this
I
conversation in
ranked the Three
2010.
Idiots. Amir is too cool. He signed a lot of people's cell phones, even ones
thank
who
God.
didn't ask
Yeah, I
them.
was like,
Yeah,
damn.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So now everyone thinks it's Amir's phone, but it's actually all of my friends' phones.
Okay.
Then I would say Madhavan. He is very beautiful.
He is
Yeah.
beautiful, this guy.
Dude,
He's,
yeah.
He's a beautiful,
But so,
non-problematic
I think
guy.
he's always going to be like a chocolate boy.
Chocolate boy
Yeah,
forever.
Forever.
He doesn't have range.
I can't imagine him in a villainous role.
Propaganda.
Yeah,
Never.
in the future.
He's just a cute guy. Everyone
Yeah.
loves Madhavan.
Cute
Everyone will
guy.
always love Madhavan. And
Yeah, and Sharman
Bronze
wasn't
medal.
very keen on taking photos with us, but guess what? Nor were we. So who's the third idiot now, huh?
Wow, Sharman Joshi getting insulted in the past. That's it. I think we got our segment. We just wanted to roast Sharman Joshi. We always end on that.
Love you, Sharman.
You guys have been amazing crowd at home watching this, and
Thank you
of
very much,
course,
Pavi.
Pavitra,
Thank
amazing
you.
guest. This
Thank
time,
you.
this episode will release.
Are you sure?
100%.
We'll see.
I
No
really
technical
hope.
issues
Yeah.
as far as we know. We got it.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
got
So
it.
before we let you go, anything you want to plug? This will come out in 3 to 4 weeks.
So there's going to most probably be a comedians badminton league, and I'm organizing it,
Awesome.
and I need sponsors. So if you are a brand who needs someone as cool as me
Yes.
and other cool people playing,
Yeah, maybe us also.
yeah, and if you have money that
Yeah.
is just lying around and can be used,
Yeah.
invest in us.
Absolutely. And if you invest in her badminton league, which you should, and you use this medium to get to her, and you don't invest in our podcast.
That would be
We have a problem.
very sensible decision.
no,
Whatever
no.
money you want to give them, give it to me, bitch.
Yeah, and fair. Do
I
that.
mean, I
That's a
don't want to
nice
call you a
pitch.
bitch. You're my investor. I mean, sexy bitch.
And also, you have a show. You're doing any show? Anything?
Down to
Oh,
fun.
Down to Fun is another concept show. What? I'm a woman who's like doing so much. What am I? A woman in 2026? Yeah, so watch that on my YouTube channel and yeah, come for my shows. I'm funny.
That's right. Please do that, and
Yes.
also please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, we will stop the podcast.
Yeah,
It's
we are
very
quitting. We are
simple.
quitting it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yeah,
You're
if they don't get subscribers, I'm quitting comedy.
Yeah,
I'm
all
done.
our guests are vowing one by one to
done.
quit comedy.
I'm
If
going to
you
just
don't-
watch Heated Rivalry on
Yeah.
repeat.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
do
or we
nothing
will have to
else.
shoot our version of Heated Rivalry to get views, which is not honestly.
I will direct and be intimacy coordinator. on
Yeah,
this.
we will not coordinate any intimacy.
It'll be raw.
It'll be a platonic relationship.
Yeah, platonic
But,
rivalry.
awesome. Please subscribe to the channel. Please come watch us live. And yeah, if you got till this point,
Put hashtag heated rivalry.
Heated Rivalry.
And if you didn't reach till here, hashtag Sharman Joshi.
Sharman Joshi. Perfect.
All
Thank
right.
you. See you next time. Bye.